All right, Ford fans and truck enthusiasts, buckle up because we've got some massive news coming straight from the Blue Oval. It looks like the electric truck game is about to get a serious shakeup. If you've been eyeing a Ford F-150 Lightning, you might want to listen closely, because the next generation model, codenamed Project T3, is set to completely redefine what we expect from an electric pickup. Ford's CEO, Jim Farley, has been dropping some major hints, and it sounds like they're going all in on making the 2026 Lightning not just an electric version of the F-150, but a ground-up, purpose-built electric beast. This isn't just a refresh. Folks, we're talking about a revolutionary new platform. The current Lightning is fantastic, but it's built on a modified version of the gas-powered F-150 chassis. This new approach means Ford's engineers can optimize everything specifically for an electric powertrain. Think better weight distribution, more interior space, and potentially a much larger frunk. So, what does this mean for you, the truck buyer? First, performance. By designing the truck around the battery and motors from the start, we can expect significant improvements in range and efficiency. While Ford hasn't released official numbers, the goal is always to push the envelope. A dedicated EV platform could also mean even faster acceleration and better handling, making this truck as fun to drive on the street as it is capable on the job site. Imagine a truck that's quieter, smoother, and quicker off the line, all while being able to tow your boat or trailer without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about the design. Farley described the new truck as something straight out of a sci-fi movie, calling it a Millennium Falcon with a porch attached. That's a pretty bold statement. It suggests a futuristic aerodynamic design that breaks away from traditional truck aesthetics. This could be Ford's answer to the unique styling of competitors like the Cybertruck. We're expecting a sleeker profile, innovative lighting, and a look that screams the future of trucks is here. It's designed to be instantly recognizable and turn heads wherever it goes. But this new Lightning isn't just about looking cool and going fast, it's also about being smarter and more versatile. The porch reference is intriguing. It hints at new levels of functionality, especially when you're parked. We're talking about enhanced ProPower onboard capabilities, potentially turning your truck into an even more powerful mobile generator for work, camping, or emergency home backup. The new platform could also unlock new storage solutions and a more flexible, open-concept cabin. Think of it as your mobile command center, office, and workshop all rolled into one. Here's the real game changer. Though Ford is aggressively working to reduce the production cost of its next-gen EVs. The goal is to make these trucks more affordable and accessible to a wider range of buyers. A simpler design, a new battery strategy, and streamlined manufacturing at their new Blue Oval City campus in Tennessee are all part of this plan. By bringing down the price, Ford aims to make the switch to electric a no-brainer for millions of truck owners. A more capable, futuristic, and cheaper electric F-150. That's a winning formula. So, the 2026 Ford Lightning is shaping up to be more than just an update. It's a complete reimagining of America's best-selling vehicle. A new platform, a radical design, improved performance, and a lower price point could set a new benchmark for the entire industry. It's an incredibly exciting time for electric trucks, and Ford is clearly planning to lead the charge. We'll be keeping a close eye on every new detail that emerges. What do you think about these big changes? Are you excited for a Millennium Falcon truck, or do you prefer the classic F-150 look? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for all the latest updates on the 2026 Lightning and everything else in the world of electric vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.